Hello, this is solving equations, multi-step equations, example 3. And in this problem, they give us this pretty long equation. This is one of the longest ones that we've worked with. And it's a multiple choice question. And these are the choices. So we're not going to take this all the way to x equals. We're going to take this just so far until we have one of these answers. So this equation, like I said, it's probably the most difficult we've seen so far. And except for the story problems. So looking at this, you have to form a plan. It looks like the distributive law needs to be applied here. And the distributive law needs to be applied there also. So we'll apply the distributive law twice, and then we'll see what we end up with. The tricky part is here, this negative 3. That's going to be, you have to make sure you multiply times a negative 3, and that's going to change the signs. So anyway, doing this, okay, and making sure you multiply both. Now negative 3 times 5x is negative 15x. And negative 3 times a negative 6 is positive 18. That equals 38. And now we can combine like terms. This equation has quite a few terms. That's a term, that's a term, that's a term, that's a term, and that's a term. So the 20x and the negative 15x, those are like terms. And 20x and negative 15x, that adds to positive 5x. Now a positive 18 and a positive 5, those are like terms, and that adds up to positive 23. Oh, and now this looks very similar to many equations that we've solved. And this first choice here, 5x equals 15, is looking very good for the correct answer, because when I minus 23 to both sides, 38 take away 23 is 15. So I end up with 5x equals 15. So it's choice A.